Rupees 251 for Lord Ram's Prasad delivered to your doorstep. Sounds like a reasonable ask, right? But behind this pitch was one of the biggest cyber scams ever seen in the name of faith. Ashish Singh, originally from Indirapuram in Ghaziabad, residing in the US, orchestrated this entire scam. It all started weeks before the consecration ceremony in January this year. At a time, emotions were running high and devotion was at its peak. Singh, claiming to be a professor from Seattle, launched a fake website, khadiorganic.com. He promised divine blessings, but he delivered nothing except fraud. Devotion turned into deception, one click at a time. Between 19th of December 2023 and January 12, 2024, the website collected orders from 6.3 lakh domestic and international devotees. And what was it that this website was in fact offering? Prasad, temple replicas, and commemorative coins of the Ram temple. Now, to simplify for our viewers, Prasad essentially is a devotional offering that religious places offer to their devotees. Coming back to this elaborate scam, while the delivery was free, a so-called facilitation fee of Rupees 51 was charged from Indian users and $11 from overseas devotees. The payments were collected via multiple digital gateways, including Paytm, PhonePe, MobiWik, amassing over 3.85 crore rupees from just Prasad delivery alone. It was faith hijacked for profit. But it all came to light when Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra, which is a trust set up for the construction and management of the temple, noticed suspicious online activity and flagged it to the Ayodhya Cybercrime Unit. A criminal case was promptly registered under the relevant sections relating to cheating and dishonestly inducing delivery of items. Seemingly confident of managing the fallout, perhaps through negotiations, Singh returned to India on the 13th of January. He travelled to Ayodhya, but things did not go as planned. On his arrival, he was arrested by cybercrime cell sleuths. They presented him as the mastermind of the scam. Authorities got substantial evidence: a laptop, 2 iPhones, 14,000 rupees in cash, $16 and various identification and financial documents were recovered from him. Now, reports say the Ayodhya police successfully refunded over 2.15 crore to as many as 3.5 lakh victims, marking the largest such refund in a cyber fraud case in the state. Recovery efforts for the remaining 1.7 crore rupees is still underway. But trust is now broken in the most sacred space, that is faith.